Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the sticker text effect on a CapCut PC. Just going to add on this background, go to text and add in your default text, and I'm just going to type in a word. I think I used that word too much. Okay, there we go. And then go to font. I like to use this font, which is the Mailboy bold one. Just like to use it. And then you are just going to select a color for your text. Maybe something else. Maybe like a blue or something. I don't know. It's up to you what color you want the text to be in. It's gonna look very dull, but you are just going to scroll down until you find stroke, and you're just going to add that in. You're also going to change the color of it as well, and if you don't like the color of your text, you can definitely change that. Maybe like this color, I don't know. Then you are just going to add textures on your kind of text. So just go to effects and find one that looks good. Maybe some from the texture effects here. Like this print one looks pretty good, so we're just going to add that in. Either this one or this one. I'm just going to add print 2 to it. You can add in more, like a paper texture, which was here. Oh, like the folds one again. And yeah, that is basically it. You can even add more textures from like, I don't know, from like Google or something like that. You can add in just like the texture on the text by selecting these, right click and create compound clip. But yeah, that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!